How to change a 2019 Dodge Ram 3-button fob remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Okay, we're going to change the battery out. You might be changing it out because you notice your remote's not working all the time. You have to get closer to the vehicle, hold the button down. Please make sure that your battery is good. We've seen them come from the manufacturer bad. If you get it online, whatever big box store you get it from. That being said, right here is your emergency key release. If your key ring's attached, that's fine. We're not worried about that. So go ahead and let's release emergency blade. Once the blade comes out, you'll see this is right here is where the key blade went in. Right to the opposite side, there's a little hole, little indentation. Go ahead and take your key corner, put it in, and use that to pop this open. And you notice it pops open. Run your fingers down the side in here. I use my thumbnails to work in here because I don't want to break this. Go up the other side. I know everyone has theirs just to start pulling it open. That's now open. Turn around, push your circuit board in to make sure it's seated. Take your emergency blade again. Put your finger right here on the spring because you want to hold the battery retainer in. Pop it up. Battery pops out. It's your CR2032. The back side is your positive here. So when you reassemble this, we'll take the back of it, drop it in there, push in, and you notice the springs hold it together. Now you can go ahead and reassemble this. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up if this video helped you out. And let's have a good day. Thanks again for watching.